Can I tell you something important? You're not behind. You're just comparing your planting season to someone else's harvest. See these trees? Out here, not everything blooms at the same time. Some trees look bare while others are full. But underground, roots are still growing. Foundations are still forming. Just because your progress isn't loud yet doesn't mean it's not real. So instead of asking, why am I not there yet? Try asking, what's going on in me right now that I can't fully see? Your timeline doesn't have to match theirs to be meaningful. Stay faithful to your process. Your season will come. You got this. Let's go.